There's a lot of hype out there about increases in Social Security, increases in SSI, like it's something big and new and different. And as if someone like a president or some congressperson made it happen because they love you so much. Not really. This is all standard, guys. It happens every year. So let's get into it. This time, let's just, to keep it short, we'll talk about retirees. For everyone, though, we know that the COLA announced in October of 2023 for the new year was 3.2%. So whatever you're getting in benefit, whatever your primary insurance amount is, it will increase by 3.2%. It helps cover some of the horrendous inflation we're dealing with. Obviously, probably not all of it, as you're probably feeling the pinch, regardless of the COLAs, even given that huge COLA for last year, 8.7%. Okay, but at least you know you're getting some sort of slight increase. Another thing that is increasing for those who are working, you know, we pay Social Security taxes on virtually, and I say virtually because there's a slight discrepancy, but generally what we earn dollar for dollar up until a certain cap. So once we start making a bigger amount, we don't get taxed on that extra we make. So for 2024, the cap on what we will be taxed on is the first $168,600. So for those who make more than that, they don't see that 6.2% or 12 point something percent whack on their income for a Social Security tax, because it disappears after they've paid it on the first $168,600. Okay. Now, there's also a earnings limit for workers who are younger than full retirement age. As you know, when we collect retirement at 62 or after, we are considered early retired, but we still have to be kind of retired, or else we're not really eligible to collect it. And when we do collect it, it is heavily discounted forever. To be considered early retirement, the earnings limit for the worker between the age of 62 and his full retirement age, it will be rising to $22,320. So what that means is if you earn over that while you're collecting early retirement, they will deduct $1 from benefits for every $2 you earn over that amount. So if you earn $22,320, you are not going to have any of your Social Security retirement deducted for not being eligible for it. And if you go over it, you will have it slightly reduced. And so it really depends on how much over it you go as to how much you're going to have to owe back on what you earned that was over. You see what I'm saying? And it could result in an overpayment. So just keep your money senses in order. Write it down. If you earn over $22,320 while you are collecting early retirement, this is before your full retirement age, you will owe something back. You would not have been due that entire check you got. And it will come out in the wash later. So you might want to be careful. Maybe keep a little savings of that. Maybe keep the first $22,320 that you earn and put the rest of it in the bank. Not that you're going to have to pay it all back, but at least then you'll have something to pay it back with and not feel such a hardship. Now, if you are reaching your full retirement age in 2024, the earnings limit is different for that last year before you hit retirement age. It jumps up to $59,520 you can earn before you're going to be impacted by having to have some benefits you took reduced. They will also reduce it at a lower rate. They're going to deduct $1 from your benefits for each month for each $3 earned over the $59,520 that year. So instead of $1 for every $2 you earn, it's $1 for every $3 you earn. Plus, you have that higher base of $59,520 below which, at or below which, if you earn, it doesn't impact your retirement benefits at all when you're early retired. And then, of course, once you hit full retirement age, no holds bar, you can go out there and earn $1 million. Go for it. Let's see if they have any more in here about the retirees. I don't think so. I will I'll do a separate video on the COLA changes, the numbers changes for those involved in the disability programs, because that also has changed. There are things that don't change that probably should, but we'll go into the ones that do. Alrighty. Have a great day, guys. Bye.